Hey guys, I'm Ashley and this is Chip Builds, and today we're going to put some different finishes on these walnut wooden knife handles. So these knife handles are designed by Evan Katelyns and I thought they were really cool, so I decided to download the file and CNC them out on my CNC machine. These were originally designed to be 3D printed, so we did run into a few problems. So the CA finish actually is not my favorite. It's very glossy and it's very plasticky. It's not very, you're not getting a good grip on it, and if you're using a knife, you want to make sure you have a good grip, that way you don't slip and like cut yourself or something. So I am a little disappointed with how this turned out. The only upside to using CA glue is that it would seep down into the pores of the wood and it could add a little bit of strength since these pieces are so thin. The second type of finish I used was spray lacquer, and this is a semi-gloss. Now this look is a little bit better than the CA finish because it's a little more muted and it's not quite as in-your-face shiny, you know. It feels pretty decent. You know, you do have a little bit of grip, but you can still kind of feel that it's not quite like the natural wood that you want to hold in your hand. So I think we're definitely getting closer, and with the spray lacquer too, you are getting that really nice color that's in the walnut coming out. So that's really nice.
Once again.
Now the final finish I used was Walrus Oil, and it's mainly meant for cutting boards and like children's toys. But I've used it in the past and I just love how it looks. It really brings out the richness of the walnut, and it's really soaked in there. I put it in a thing and it just soaked in really nicely, and it's mixed with a little bit of wax when it comes in the bottle. And so I think just that mix of the wax and the oil in one, it just feels really nice in your hand. Like it, you know, you just really want to hold it and you want to touch it. So that's really cool. So in the future, I'm definitely going to be going with Walrus Oil to finish a lot of my projects.